This is the most realistic one-piece lock pose. It has a microcontroller that can be fully customizable using a simple Arduino code. I designed this model to be as close-looking and move on its own like in the anime. Let me show you how I made it. You need all 3D printed parts, a battery charger board, one switch to turn it on and off, 3 micro motors, clear Christmas ball, small 30mm for the dome, a few screws, your microcontroller of choice, keep it small, 2 H-bridge boards, small rechargeable battery. Now that we have everything, let's assemble. I designed to be similar to a watch, so the wristband was made with TPU flexible plastic. All you have to do is slide it in the bottom plate. I added a small paper clip to hold the middle piece in place. Remember, not all 3D printers are accurate, so a small needle or a small drill bit will help open the holes up to slide the paper clip and cut it. Now connect the battery to the battery charger positive and negative with a soldering iron. Then connect the positive to the switch. I added a quick connector, but you can connect it directly to the microcontroller, but it does make it harder to move things around. Once you have everything together, add small amount of hot glue to keep parts in place and electrical tape to avoid other part from creating a short. Now connect the motors to the H-bridge and the H-bridge to the microcontroller. Stop the video now to see how I made the connection on this diagram. Now that everything is connected, it's time to put the motors to the right spot. Make sure not to push hard as the wires, they are very fragile and can break off. Once the motor are in place, let's add the compass needle. Make sure it is tight. If not, add a bit of glue to create enough friction. Make sure they spin easily. Now let's get the top part of the log pose. Add the half dome inside. They should fit perfectly. Then add the middle part with the motors. There, holes on the side to make sure everything stays in the center. Now will be the time to add those codes into your microcontroller. Make sure everything is moving correctly. When testing is completed, it's time for the back cover. Connect the battery to the microcontroller. Now adjust all the components so everything fits perfectly. Keep in mind not to be rough and take your time to make adjustments. Once everything is in place, press down gently. The charging board should be right on the side where the hole is. It's time for the screws. This will help keep everything in place. And there you have it. It's finally done. Let's turn it on and check that it works. If everything was done correctly, it should start moving. Now you can play around making your own codes and create custom movements. I made my Arduino code with the most basic knowledge I have. I'm sure someone can create a better way. If you enjoy the video, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. It will help my channel grow, and I will be able to make more design and make more One Piece prop or other anime props in the future. Thanks for watching.